Now that you've learned how to digitize data into the empty parcel shapefile you created, you'll learn how to modify existing shapefiles. This park polygon is incomplete. The green portion has been digitized, but the park extends up to this street here. I'm going to add the missing piece. First, I'll right-click on Parks and toggle Editing, and then I'll go into my snapping environments, Settings, Snapping Options. I'm going to set my snapping environment so that I'm snapping to park vertices with a tolerance of 25 feet. Using the Advanced Editing toolbar, I'll click on the Reshape Features tool. This tool allows me to add to an existing feature. The only caveat is that the first and last vertices must fall within the existing feature. So I'll click within this existing park polygon. I'll then snap to the northwest corner vertice, and then I'll begin tracing the true extent of the park following the path visible through the trees. And again, I'll want the last vertex to fall within the bounds of this feature. I'll click there and right-click to finish, and the new component will be added to the existing polygon, and it'll adopt all the same attributes the existing polygon had. To finish the editing job, I'll right-click on Parks, toggle Editing, and save the changes. Now I'll make an edit to a line layer. So I've turned on Net Cur, the orange roads, and you'll notice that there's one road in this image that is not represented by the line layer. So I'll right-click on Net Cur and toggle Editing. I'm going to go into my snapping environments and turn on snapping for Net Cur, and I'm going to again snap to vertex with a tolerance of 20 feet. I'll now use the Add Feature tool, and you notice when you're editing a line layer, the Add Feature tool has a different icon than when you're editing a polygon layer. I'll click the Add Feature tool. I'll come down here and make sure I'm snapping to the existing road, and I'll trace the center line. Road networks are typically center lines, so you want to trace this along the middle of the road. And right-click to finish. There are a lot of attributes to this existing layer, and we'll just fill in a few. Street name will be Park. Street desi will be Place. Street quad will be Southeast. And under comments, I'll enter Lab 5 and click OK. Now I'll right-click on Net Cur, toggle off Editing, and save my edits. In this lab, you successfully digitized information using the 5-step digitizing process. Additionally, you've recreated the original source data, scanned as a raster, into the vector format. Digitizing can be a time-consuming process, but can yield very useful geographic information.